A couple of other executive orders that we are also announcing today are around the issues of property tax relief, both for residences as well as business, the personal business property tax that people are required to pay north of $100,000. Both are familiar to many individuals that may be watching. And there was some clarity a few months back as it relates to penalties associated and fees related to the assessment of property taxes. And we made the point that we were working with the counties to see if we can coordinate and collaborate in a way that can address the hardship claims that were coming in and allow people to get on payment plans without experiencing that rather sizable 10% tax code penalty that is assessed on those property tax bills. We've been working with the county associations, and this executive order will provide even more clarity in this space and extend through next May the penalty waiver for fees and related fines associated with that 10% tax code requirement that will allow people, again, with hardships, to get on payment plans and not have to experience that penalty at least through the end of next May. So we think this is significant clarification. We think this could be significant relief, particularly that timeline that extends into the new year, as many of us have had that 10% fee assessed through no fault of our own, maybe just neglect, maybe naive about the penalty being so strong right now. Many people just struggling to make ends meet, and those property tax bills are so large for people and so challenging at this time that we wanted to provide this clarity, and that executive order that we signed today as well will do just that. As I said, we extend this, not just this relief, to personal residences. We are extending the deadline for property, rather personal property, for taxes associated with businesses. That currently is a May 7th deadline, where you would then have that same 10% tax under the tax code. We're extending that through just May 31st of this month. So for residences, we extend through next year. For businesses, we're providing small businesses that relief at least through the end of the month to give people some more time. We've been working with the Board of Equalization on this. They were assessing how many calls they were getting, how many concerns that were being raised, and providing at least a little bit more time will give us a little bit more time as well to provide more clarity through the end of this month. So that's the framework today of these executive orders, hopefully providing some clarity in areas where we're getting a lot of inquiry, and hopefully providing a little bit of relief for many people that are anxious because of the economic challenges of this moment.